What's up, YouTube and DorkiDori fans? It's Len at midnight. I decided to pick up a set of Bride seats for my 240 about a month ago. It took a little while to hunt down the seat rails. I had to get them out of Japan, and so tonight I am installing them in my 240. I haven't done anything with my car in quite a while, so this ought to be a lot of fun. And I'm actually currently at my day job where people are in the background talking right now, and they're about to walk across, so... Okay, he's not walking across the camera.
So that's for Bryce over Dowdy. And we're like,
anyway, I hope you like the video. There's going to be a lot of guest appearances by the people that I work with at my day job doing silly things. I'll try and edit them in as long as things are, you know, PG rated, because I don't want to get banned by YouTube. So take a watch, leave a like, subscribe, and all that jazz.